Okay, I'm having the circle mod z equal to 3. In the denominator, if I equate this to be equal to 0, I get the point z equal to 2. Is this point lying inside the circle? Yes, the circle is having the radius 3. So yes, this point lies inside this circle. जब भी आप डिनोमिनेटर को 0 करेंगे, वहाँ से जो आपका पॉइंट आएगा, अगर वो सर्कल के अंदर लाए होगा, जो गिवन सर्कल होगा आपके पास, if this point lies inside the circle, then we need to use the Cauchy's integral formula for this. I'm taking this function to be f of z, right? So let's start with the solution. Let f of z is equal to e the power z square. And then the first derivative becomes e the power z square into 2z. So what is f dash 2? So it is e the power 2 square. Just replace z with 2. Into 2 into 2. So which is equal to e the power 4, and this is 4. Now since this function is analytic inside and on mod z equal to 3 and the point z equal to 2 lies inside mod z equal to 3. जो point हमने denominator को 0 करके find out किया था, उसी point पर आपने यहाँ पर first derivative find out करना है. Right? And because this point lies inside the circle, so by Cauchy's integral formula we say that this given integral is equal to, let me write this to be as fz first. So this is mod z equal to 3 and this is your f of z, and this is z minus 2 whole square and dz. So what is the formula? The line integral of f of z divided by z minus z naught whole square dz is equal to 2 pi iota f dash z naught divided by 1 factorial. Please remember, for the power 2, I'm having the first derivative at z naught, right? And if I'm having 1 over here, right here 1 factorial. For the power 3, I must have double derivative at z naught, and here this will be replaced with 2 factorial. So because I'm having power 2 over here, I write here 2 pi iota times the first derivative at z naught divided by 1 factorial. And what is z naught? It is 2. So this is equal to 2 pi iota f dash 2 divided by 1 factorial, and we have found f dash 2 to be 4 e the power 4. So this is equal to 2 pi iota times 4 e the power 4, 1 factorial is 1, and this is further equal to 8 pi iota e the power 4 to be the required answer. Okay, thank you.